Hello, fellow brother, and welcome back. Today I want to talk with you about overthinking and how you can fight and win your inner battles. Overthinking usually arises from obsessing over past events or worrying about the future. Acceptance in this sense means acknowledging and embracing these thoughts and emotions without judging or trying to suppress them. Once you accept your thoughts and feelings, you can let go of the need to control them and focus on the present moment. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation or breathing exercises, can also help you develop acceptance and reduce overthinking. Stress, anxiety, and overthinking are common phenomena that individuals experience in their daily lives. These factors can impact an individual in various ways, negatively affecting their mental health, decreasing their productivity, and causing numerous physical symptoms. However, there are numerous ways to overcome stress, anxiety, and overthinking. In this essay, I will explain how to overcome stress, anxiety, and overthinking. With that being said, let me give you some advice on what you can do to get better as a man. Stay strong till the end. Focus on what you can control. Stoicism teaches that we should focus our energy on things that are within our control rather than worrying about things beyond our control. When dealing with anxiety, this means focusing on the present moment and taking positive actions that can help reduce stress. Setting achievable goals can also help you focus on yourself and strive for better. By setting goals that are within your control and that we can realistically achieve, we can boost our confidence and sense of accomplishment. Taking care of yourselves is essential for managing anxiety and striving for better. This includes getting enough rest, eating well, and engaging in activities that bring us joy and relaxation. Reframe your negative thoughts. Stoicism encourages us to reframe our negative thoughts and focus on the positive instead. When experiencing anxiety, this means being mindful of our thoughts and reframing them in a more positive light. Identify the thought that is making you feel negative and embrace it. Focus on the present and future while leaving the past behind. Practice mindfulness and self-awareness to notice and manage negative thoughts. Once you've challenged the negative thought, replace it with something more encouraging and positive. For example, instead of "I'll never be good enough," try thinking, "I might not be perfect, but I'm doing the best I can." Show yourself some kindness and compassion. Don't beat yourself up for having negative thoughts. Instead, acknowledge them and work towards changing them. Practice self-discipline. Self-discipline is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, and it can be a powerful tool in managing anxiety. By practicing self-discipline, we can gain greater control over our thoughts and emotions, which can help reduce anxiety. Self-discipline helps you stay focused on your goals and take consistent actions towards them. It allows you to overcome procrastination, distractions, and laziness, leading to greater productivity and success. Self-discipline plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It helps you make responsible choices regarding nutrition, exercise, sleep, and stress management. By practicing self-discipline, you can enhance your physical and mental well-being. Self-discipline is vital for managing finances efficiently. It helps you control impulsive spending, save money, and make wise investment decisions. By practicing self-discipline in financial matters, you can achieve long-term financial stability and achieve your financial goals. Acceptance. Stoicism teaches us to accept the things we cannot change. When dealing with anxiety, this means accepting that we cannot always control our thoughts, but we can control our reactions to them. Accepting your situation can help reduce stress and anxiety that comes from trying to control or fight against something that is beyond your control. It also allows you to focus on what you can control. Accepting yourself and your situation can improve your mental health. It can help you to let go of negative emotions such as shame, guilt, and regret. Accepting yourself can also improve your self-esteem and confidence. In conclusion, Acceptance allows you to let go of negative emotions and focus on what you can control. It can improve your mental health, resilience, and relationships, and promote personal growth. Maintain perspective. Stoicism encourages us to maintain a broader perspective on life and to remember that the things we worry about are often not as important as they seem. Keeping this in mind can help us put our anxieties in perspective and focus on the things that truly matter. When you maintain perspective, you can see things in a broader and objective way. You can take a step back and analyze a situation without getting overwhelmed by your emotions. This enables you to make more rational and informed decisions. Maintaining perspective helps you see problems and challenges as temporary and solvable. This reduces the stress and anxiety that often accompanies difficult situations. Perspective taking can spark creativity and innovation. By seeing things from different angles and perspectives, you can come up with new and better ways of doing things. Use reason to guide your thinking. When you notice your mind starting to race with worries and concerns, ask yourself if they are really justified. Use reason to examine your thoughts and see if they are based on facts or just imagined fears. When making decisions, it's important to base them on evidence rather than assumptions or opinions. Look for reliable sources of information and consider different perspectives before coming to a conclusion. Use logical reasoning and critical thinking skills to analyze situations and make decisions. This involves breaking down complex problems into smaller components and evaluating them separately. Practice self-care. Take care of your body and mind by getting enough sleep, eating well, and exercising regularly. This can help you feel more resilient and better able to handle stress and anxiety. Exercise has been shown to improve mood and reduce stress and anxiety. Find physical activities that you enjoy and incorporate them into your routine. Engaging in activities such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can help alleviate stress and promote relaxation. By practicing self-care, you can promote mental well-being and resilience, and better cope with stress and challenges that arise in life. Accept uncertainty. Life is full of unknowns, and there are many things we can't control. Learn to accept this reality and focus on what you can control. This can help you let go of worry and find peace in the midst of uncertainty. Instead of worrying about uncertain outcomes, Stoics advise focusing on our own attitudes and actions. This involves cultivating virtues such as wisdom, courage, and self-control, which can help us navigate uncertain situations with greater confidence and resilience. Ultimately, accepting uncertainty requires acknowledging the limits of our control and developing a mindset of resilience, grounded in our own virtue and inner strength. Thank you for staying with me. Don't forget to tell me your thoughts in the comment section. I hope you learned something today. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for more wisdom. See you soon.